Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel with me again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Google Play Instant. So, the Google Instant feature is it's like an instant apps where you can try certain apps before installing the app first, and it is called instant apps. And if you want to activate it, just follow the steps that I'm about to tell you on this video. So open the Google Play app first on your phone, and then go to the profile icon at the top right, and then go to settings, choose general, and then here you can see Google Play Instant. So you can use apps and games without installation, so you can like try it first before you install the app. And if you want to activate it, turn on the upgrade web links first, like this. So web links may open in an instant apps instead of in a browser when available. So even when the setting is turned off, you can always continue to try instant apps by clicking on links that are Google Play branded. So you can also manage links, and just like that, that is how you can turn off or on the Google Play Instant. I hope this video will help you. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and also don't forget to click like and subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.